Mastering the art of cake decoration. Learn to pipe the frosting. Hello, wonderful viewers. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of cake decorating, focusing on a crucial skill that can transform your cakes from simple to spectacular. We're going to explore what it means to pipe the frosting. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or stepping into the kitchen for the first time, mastering this technique will elevate your cake decorating game. Let's break it down. Piping refers to the process of using a piping bag, which is a conical bag often made from cloth, paper, or plastic. This bag is filled with frosting, and by applying pressure, the frosting is forced out through a piping tip at the narrow end. The phrase, "pipe the frosting," simply means to apply frosting on a cake, or any other pastry, using this method. Piping allows for precision and creativity, enabling you to add intricate designs and details to your baked goods. Before you start piping, you'll need the right tools. Piping bags. These can be reusable or disposable. Choose one that feels comfortable in your hands. Piping tips. These metal or plastic nozzles come in various shapes and sizes, each creating a different design. Couplers. These are optional but useful. They allow you to change the piping tip without changing the bag. Selecting the proper tools is crucial for achieving the desired effects in your cake decoration. 1. Prepare the piping bag. If you're using a reusable bag, insert a coupler at the narrow end before adding the tip. If it's disposable, just snip off the end and insert the tip. 2. Fill the bag. Scoop your frosting into the bag. Remember, it's easier to add more than to deal with an overfilled bag. 3. Squeeze and guide. Apply even pressure with your dominant hand to squeeze the frosting out, while guiding the tip with your other hand. 4. Practice makes perfect. Before starting on your cake, practice your designs on parchment paper. Get a feel for the pressure and speed needed. Consistency is key. The frosting should be smooth and soft. If it's too stiff, it's hard to pipe. If it's too runny, it won't hold its shape. Keep it clean. Regularly wipe your piping tip to prevent clogs and ensure clean, crisp designs. Stay relaxed. Piping is like art. Stay relaxed, and don't rush the process. Your confidence and skill will grow with practice. Congratulations, you're now ready to pipe the frosting like a pro. Remember, every baker starts somewhere, and every cake is a canvas for your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different designs and have fun with the process. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see the stunning cakes you'll create. Happy baking and decorating!